In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger's Hpanel in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing an existing one, knowing how to navigate your way through Hostinger is crucial. So, let's dive right into it and get you logged in without a hitch. First things first, you'll need to go to the Hostinger website, open your preferred web browser and type in hostinger.ph, then hit enter. This will take you directly to their homepage where you can start the login process. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button. Usually you'll find this at the top right corner of the page, but if there have been any changes to their site layout, just take a moment to scan the page. Clicking on login will redirect you to the next step. Now you'll be taken to the Hostinger login page. This is where you will need to enter your login credentials. If you've created an account before, simply type in your email address and password associated with your Hostinger account. Make sure you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password link to reset it securely. After entering your details, click on the login button. If everything checks out, you'll be directed to your Hostinger account dashboard, commonly known as the Hpanel. The Hpanel is your administrative hub for managing websites hosted with Hostinger, so becoming familiar with this space will be beneficial. Once you're in the Hpanel, you're set to start managing your web hosting services, whether you're setting up a domain, adjusting server settings, or getting to grips with file management. The Hpanel is designed to make it all approachable. A couple of things to remember during this process. If you encounter any trouble accessing your account, double check your internet connection and make sure there are no caps lock issues with your password. Regularly updating your password and ensuring it's stored safely is always a good practice. And that's it, you've successfully logged into Hostinger's Hpanel. If you're planning to use this platform frequently, it may be worth saving the login page to your bookmarks for easier access next time. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident navigating through Hostinger. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's support team if you need any further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy web hosting.